the charming, the most beautiful, the sensational, the content creator, the influencer, and the lady killer. We have Maisha Iyer here.
I've not spoken about it ever, but I mean, there was a friendship on the show which got over after the show, and yeah, I would like to just leave it there. I think I've done 3 reality shows,
Yeah.
and out of all 3 of them,
Yeah.
if I have not enjoyed a show,
Yeah.
आपका promo मिल गया. But I genuinely feel that Big Boss is not very nice to people from MTV.
Oh.
So recently I've been seeing Digvijay. Yeah, he is.
And Kashish.
So I see even she keeps talking about how Digvijay is being targeted. Very fucking spicy यार. I thought मैं ऐसे कच्चा नींबू में खेल रही थी. ये क्या आ गया बीच में?
That's what we
How
kept
the
it.
fuck is it so spicy? It's blowing my mind. इतना तीखा. 24/7 तो कैमरास नहीं होते थे. So ऐसा था कि कट के बाद फिर बाकी चीजें हो जाती थी.
So how was your experience, like, kind of shooting with Elvish and Prince, and now both of them are together in one show? So how was it like, seeing both of the guys, Elvish and Prince coming together? In Ranvijay is back.
Yes. Fucking hell. मम्मा. पता है the problem is ना सारे सवालों का एक ही जवाब है पर मैं उसका नाम बार-बार नहीं लिख सकती.
Okay.
I'm being bitchy right now. I'm taking his name. But what should I answer if I'm dating someone?
Yeah. If
The
you.
answer to that question is exclusively on.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Lean Guy Show. My name is Amal, and guess who is here? The charming, the most beautiful, the sensational, the content creator, the influencer, and the lady killer. Not the lady killer, she is the killer, the man killer. We have Maisha Iyer here. What's up, bro?
What's up?
What's up? How's it going?
All good. I'm a little scared with everything I'm seeing on the table.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, let's go for it.
Wanna know, like, do you eat spice and all or not?
No.
No.
My
That's
tolerance to spice is in minus.
okay, then it's going to be a really amazing episode for sure.
For
because-
you. Scary for me.
No. I'm sure that you'll be able to survive. You'll not die. That at least
I
something
think
that
I
I
will
can say.
survive till here.
That's where we are starting from.
Oh, okay.
But no, you'll not die. So I'm here with you. I'll also be eating. So let's start with the first one. We have Naginka Indian Bhoot Chholaki. You can take one, and we'll just.
Oh, you started that quickly, Owen.
Yeah.
Are you one of those who search for the most burnt one and have it? Because
Sometimes, but yeah.
I love it. Is this too much?
No, it's okay. No, you'll survive this one. You might like it actually. You would have already had it somewhere in the restaurant somewhere. Spicy?
A little, yeah.
No, because your tongue was like, kind of a naked tongue, so once you're having it first time, so it will, once the palate becomes, so it will be pretty good.
Not helping.
No,
You didn't convince me, no.
No, I mean,
I'm still scared.
As we go down the line, you will be like able to do it
Okay.
pretty properly. It's good.
No. Spicy already.
Okay. So this one, the first question is, obviously it's been a while that you have done any podcast, or maybe might as well, I don't remember actually. So obviously there are a lot of stuff people want to know about you, and a lot of things which has happened in the past as well. So starting and ending with that on itself, so first question would be on what's your status with Bhavya, Ashish, Divya, and Ishan. So let's
Who's
start.
Isha?
Ishan.
Nishant.
Sorry.
Nishu.
Ah.
Okay.
Let's start with Bhavya. Let's clear the things.
I've not spoken about it ever, but I mean, there was a friendship on the show which got over after the show, and yeah, I would like to just leave it there. Sometimes you realize what's good for you,
Yeah.
and you stick to that,
Yeah.
and that was the decision I had to take, and I took.
Okay.
And I've never said anything against her in the last 4 years,
Yeah.
and I would continue to not say anything about her.
But I remember that she came to one of her videos, in her channel itself, and she posted that she wouldn't mind getting you as one of the guests in our show, and then probably saying sorry
That
to you.
happened?
Yeah, I guess she said that. She said that she might as well say sorry, if things go that
The
fine.
thing is that so much has happened, okay, and like right now, anything I say I mean, I hope she's moved on in her life and she's
Yeah.
really happy and very good with what she's doing and stuff. I hope all of that for her.
Yeah.
But I don't think you'll be seeing me on a podcast with her anytime soon.
Sure. And you have never got in touch with after Splitsvilla?
I do not choose to.
Okay. Okay.
I can spill a lot of tea, but I would not want to do that. Also, respecting the friendship that I had with her at one time. At one point in time, she was like a really good friend. I mean, I doted over her. Like, I really was very fond of her.
Yeah.
But then when, if I say anything, it's just giving out too much.
No. Okay. I mean, your call. Absolutely, that makes sense. Okay, let's talk about Ashish.
Ashish, we never dated on the show. Also, we were very vocal about the fact that we're just friends.
Yeah.
हमारी vibe match हो रही है, task कर रहे हैं हम ये वो all of that.
Yeah.
But we never dated. A lot of people thought we dated, but we never said that. Like find a footage जहाँ हमने बोला है, ऐसा मिलेगा ही नहीं.
Sure.
And right now, actually, I think he is seeing someone, and I'm very happy for both of them. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. And Divya?
Divya and I have never really been friends as such.
But had been like, kind of acquaintances, like, have you been in touch?
We were on a show. My first show, my life ka first show. I was with her on the show, and I mean, it was just. Also, I was much closer to Varun on the show. So after the show, also, हमारी बातचीत एक दो बार हुई है. That's that. We never really cultivated and turned that into a friendship ever.
Sure.
So it's just that.
So like, since then as well, have you been in touch or like, it's like,
Not really.
kabhi mil gaye to वैसे kind of
Mil
stuff?
gaye to,
Kind of
hi,
stuff.
how are you? That's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And Varun?
Varun and I, the last time I sent him was some funny meme of him only. So we have that trap of sending each other like lame ass memes and only we get each other's jokes. So that vibe I have.
Must be really happy about like, how Varun's career trajectory has grown up now.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just
It
fabulous.
was long due.
Yeah.
And I think, he definitely deserves it. Yeah.
Absolutely. And what about Nishan?
Nishu is a friend that I made on Big Boss, and I think the only genuine dear friend that I continue having after Big Boss. Like I have, obviously we are both overly dramatic, so we've seen like, but with Nishu it's never like we don't stretch things for too long and stuff like that. And I meet him and it's always fun.
Wow. Okay, that's spilling the tea. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Yeah, I guess this was the one which mostly the people wanted, and very elegantly you have like kind of said that. Yeah, so that makes sense. Let's move on to the next one. We have Habanero Peri Peri Hot Sauce. It's a new entrant in our panel, and you may like it. And all these are underground Indian brands, so they're like make amazing hot sauces. Now we know that you don't have much of spice tolerance actually.
Yeah. This is actually not bad.
Oh, really?
This is lesser than this.
That's what I told you, like the naked tongue. Yeah.
Okay.
Better. Yeah.
This is okay.
Okay. The next one is like, I know it's been a while, but how do you think your Big Boss journey had been? What did you gain out of Big Boss? Because it's a very big show, and anything that you specifically think that has changed after doing Big Boss? And it's been a while actually, but what do you think like has changed since then?
So I think I've done 3 reality shows, and out of all 3 of them, if I have not enjoyed a show, आपका promo मिल गया. It'll be Big Boss.
Okay, but I mean.
So when Big Boss was offered to me, I was emotionally in the dumps. Okay, I was out of getting out of a really long-term relationship, and emotionally I was. So when Big Boss came, it was like, this is God's sign कि अपने problem से दूर भागो, and then you'll be here, and then you will forget it. But I did not realize that when I'm doing this, I'm also taking a lot of emotional baggage with me into the show.
Sure.
So if you see, even I've performed the worst in Big Boss because I was just not myself. I would just cry all the time because I had so much andhar bhara hua. And Big Boss didn't help it because everyone was so cutthroat. Everyone was very smart. And मैं खुद को बहुत शानी समझती हूँ. But Big Boss changed that. मैं नहीं हूँ इतनी शानी. I realized that.
And too much
So,
of
yeah.
negativity around that. That's one of the things.
So Ace of Space, my first show.
Yeah.
It was my first show of
Yeah.
my life. It's very similar to Big Boss.
Yeah.
But I had so much fun. I was
Yeah.
myself. And I also, okay, this is a very controversial thing. I don't know how people are going to take it, but I genuinely feel that Big Boss is not very nice to people from MTV.
Oh, comparing both of them.
No, like if you see, now see, there are people like Prince and
Yeah.
all of that. Of course, there are some people you cannot ignore.
Yes.
Okay, so then they can't be bad to Prince. Okay,
Yeah.
but then if you see, there has been other seasons where people from MTV have come,
Yeah.
and
They're not being able to do much well.
they're just targeted all the time, and you know. See, now either there can be two ways to it.
Yeah.
Either people from the MTV circuit are very used to being around young people and that
Yeah.
little more open-minded.
got it.
Like how MTV, the audiences that watch MTV are a little more open-minded.
Yes.
They are young. They wear their heart on their sleeve
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah.
But when you come to Big Boss, it's more of a family thing, like a GEC show where the whole
The age
family
group changes.
sits. Yes.
Yeah.
The age group changes, and also the people interested in such shows. That
Yeah.
whole group changes.
Hmm.
So अगर आपका MTV वाला वाइब
Yeah.
इधर MTV में चल रहा है, आपको लगता है बिग बॉस में ये सेम वाइब चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं हो पाता है. And I also very sadly feel that we are still in a place where if you are dressed in a certain way or if you are, मतलब बेचारी यार भोली है, and the same thing if अगर आप you're wearing something like short and doing the
Yeah.
same thing, पहले से ही पता था कमी नहीं है, ये ऐसे ही करेगी.
Okay.
That, and I also feel like I am not seeing a lot of I mean I don't watch Big Boss now. मैंने खुद का भी सीजन नहीं देखा है. But whatever reels that you see, उसमें ही आजकल सब कुछ पता चल जाता है.
Exactly.
So recently I've been seeing Digvijay. Yeah, he is.
And Kashish.
I've not seen itna clips
but
of,
Digvijay is being targeted. That is what being
targeted
told.
a lot.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
I see there is this I forgot her name also. She also keeps making these Big Boss reels and everything. So I see even she keeps talking about how Digvijay is being targeted.
Yes.
So and even in the past I think Priyank was also targeted
Yes.
a lot.
Yes.
So that's what I feel. I feel
But why is that so? Because they also take a lot of MTV wale people in Big Boss, because obviously these people have already kind of audience and all that. But why do you think that Big Boss has a
I
specific?
have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. I don't even know whether, and see, a lot of times it's the edit that makes you or breaks you. Okay?
Yeah.
Now it's very easy for them to say तुम लोग कर रहे हो इसलिए दिखा रहे हैं, पर उसके पहले आप बहुत काट देते हो, उसके बाद बहुत काट देते हो.
Got it.
ठीक है? You want to portray a person in a certain image. So you're going to show them only that clips of that person.
That's a creative team who does it, and then
Yeah,
they like
obviously,
it.
obviously.
Rajat को ऐसे दिखाते हैं, Digvijay को ऐसे दिखाते हैं, kind of that stuff.
Yeah, so I'm sure in my season also a lot of people who seemed very good
Yeah.
did a lot of things that were bad but were cut out.
Cut out.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, that has changed a lot. That perception of you think मैं ही शानी हूँ, but
Yeah, that has definitely changed. मैं शानी नहीं हूँ.
and same out of Splitsvilla. What did you kind of what changed after Splitsvilla?
See, when you ask me what changed after Big Boss, I will say not much. What changed after Splitsvilla? My life. It changed my life, and I feel the guys now on the more recent seasons have it a little more easier because now there is more social media and all
yes,
of that. I
yes.
genuinely think जो हमारा last season था Big Boss Splits का, that was genuinely the last raw season. None of us were PR trained. हमको पता नहीं था, हमको मेकअप तक लगाने नहीं आता था, एक दूसरे का ऐसे ऐसे I know डोम में जाके I have to fight with her, but बेचारी को आई मेकअप करने नहीं आता है. या फिर ये टॉप के साथ ये स्कर्ट, चल मेरा स्कर्ट ले ले, डोम में झगड़ा कर. We were just so raw. We were so raw. Nothing was like अच्छा मैं इधर जाऊंगी तो यही करूंगी. We were just so chill. We were just like a bunch of fucked up kids doing whatever we wanted to do, and it was amazing. And उसके बाद I was hosting Woot के लिए one part of the next season, and that's when I realized that now people know. You get access to good clothes. Designers send you clothes. अच्छा Splitsvilla जा रहे हो, ये लो कपड़े. तभी हमारे इधर तभी I'm talking as if it's 10 years ago. नहीं इतना भी पुराना नहीं.
3 years, no?
Yeah. No, 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah. No, maybe 3. I don't know. You know better. But yeah,
Yeah.
so that's what I mean. The kids now are very like prim and proper. हमारा time तो very
अलग ही
like
था.
ना raw था वो.
Exactly.
हाँ.
And I guess उस time पे मतलब I don't know, this is my perception probably कि उस time पे थोड़े mature kind of contestants. I don't know मतलब but
I think it was a mixed bag.
Mixed bag,
We had all different types of people and stuff. And तभी we used to not get scared to say things. Now we have to be everyone's so careful कि इसमें ऐसे बोल दिया तो ये हो जाएगा, वैसे बोल दिया तो वो हो जाएगा. But तभी ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. जो डोम में तो सबकी निकाल दी है एक दूसरे की इज्जत. So तभी वो ऐसे होता था. Now it's more polished, I feel.
Yeah. And also I guess the generation has changed. उस time पे I guess millennials, no sorry, Gen X और millennials होते थे, अब Gen Z. So they are there.
I don't know all this, but I'm whichever the coolest one is, I'm a part of that. Khatam.
Even I'm the same part of them. So thank you so much for that, and we really love your journey after Big Boss and Splitsvilla. I mean, you have definitely changed a lot of things after that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the third one. This is El Diablo's Boom.
बूम ही हो जाएगा मेरे को लग रहा है अभी ये तो.
You're doing pretty well. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप already.
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. Yes. Okay, but how do you feel?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, all good.
Okay, so this question is audience's question. This is by Nikhil from Instagram. So, what are your plans for the future? You have done many music videos. Are you waiting for some Bollywood or OTT projects, or they're coming and you're not doing it right now?
So, this a lot of people have asked me, ki, what are your future plans? What do you see in 5 years? What do you see in the next year? I don't plan. I just don't plan. क्योंकि अगर मैंने plan किया होता, I'm not saying आज मैं जहाँ हूँ, I'm the queen of the world or whatever.
Yeah.
But जहाँ तक भी मैंने पहुँची, okay, if someone had asked me this 5 years ago, कि what do you plan? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Yeah.
This would have never been my answer. It would have been a much smaller dream, a much smaller plan.
Yeah.
3 shows, 3 reality shows? Fuck no. I was still, before all of this, I used to work as a sales girl at Forever New. Okay, the brand.
Okay.
So if you had asked me then, I would have been like, हाँ मुझे Forever New का ना manager बनना है, ठीक है? Because that was my dream. I was like, I'm making this money and I have been working since I was 15. Okay, so I've done like these small, इधर काम करो, उधर काम करो. So if you asked me 5 years ago, I would have been like, yeah, sales girl से manager. That would have been my thing. But then life happened. And that's why I don't want to plan. I don't want to plan anything. जो आता है, if it's good for me, it will come to me. बस. That's how I want it to be.
With Elvish's music video, you were really awesome, man.
Really, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. And but you're open for projects, right?
So I get offered a lot of serials that I do not want to do because I know the comments that are going to come because most of the things that I'm offered when it comes to serials is the Vamp's role. Now I know these people are going to comment कि हाँ Vamp लगती है तो Vamp का ही role आएगा ना. It's not that. It's just that मुझे नहीं करना है. Like I don't want to be like तुम्हें क्या लगता है and all of that. So मुझे नहीं करना है. So and the thing is with God's grace, what I'm working, being able to pay my bills. I'm able to live a certain lifestyle, so I don't want to do something that I'm not happy doing. 4 साल पहले शायद I would have been like ठीक है कर ही लेती हूँ, you know, I'll make money and this and that and everything. But now I've reached a stage where if in the morning I want to wake up and feel good about my day, that I'm going to आज ये करना है, ये shoot plan करना है, ये ऐसे करना है. I want to do that. That makes me happy. मतलब इतना slog करो, and if you're not happy, then what is the point?
Obviously. Yes.
So yeah, now I think I'm in a touch wood. God, please don't take it away. I'm in a good, comfortable space where I want to choose what I want to do.
Wow, nice. I guess that is what major of the people crave for.
Like I chose to come here and have a good time.
Thank you so much for that. And definitely you'll have a good time because we are doing the spiciest show of India right now with Maisha. You're the spiciest guest. Okay, quickly moving on to the next one. So it's very quickly that we're moving on. This is again our new entrant. This is Nando ka peri peri hot sauce. You should be happy that you're having Indian ones.
Am I taking too less? Is it that's why it's not spicy?
No, I mean, see, I don't want your time to get wasted probably after going back home. But yeah, moving forward, it will be pretty spicy actually.
I'm doing pretty well till now.
So far you're doing
I
pretty
tell you honestly, ये चारों में सबसे spicy ये था. I think because I took more of it.
Yes, probably. Yeah, but the taste is pretty good actually. But yeah, you still have your powers intact. If you want to take it, you can take it.
No, I'm good.
मेरे तो काम बताना है, तो yeah.
I'm good.
But you're doing pretty well.
मैं power use नहीं करने वाली हूँ. End में ये इससे cheers करके I'm gonna enjoy my victory of not using a power.
Beer भी रखते. We could have
मैं
given
दारू
it.
नहीं पीती.
Oh. नहीं तो फिर हम ये रखेंगे. Okay. So this one is one of the things is you have done 3 reality shows: Ace of Space, Splitsvilla, and Big Boss. Which one did you like the most? You said it already, like the Splitsvilla one.
No, Ace.
Okay. Why?
Because हम ना मतलब जो भी झगड़ा वगड़ा सब जो भी करते थे we used to be like a family. We had like I know people say that अच्छा reality show घर बसाने थोड़ी जा रही है reality show करने जा रही है, but that was my first show.
Yeah.
Everyone came with a set of following.
Yeah.
They're all done a certain set of work already in the industry. I was someone who no one knew.
Yeah.
People didn't know I existed. And even the way I got the show was crazy. So when I was on the show, I just made my own set of friends. I used to be so happy कि चलो ये करते हैं आज ये करते हैं. I used to be very happy. It was my best show ever. अगर you told me Ace of Space would last for 3 years, I would have said okay.
Wow.
I would have not wanted to. I swear जब मैं बाहर आई हूँ ना वो show से, and imagine I didn't know anyone, no one knew me, nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, and I reached the finale, and that was like, and even the whole crew, the whole management, the whole production, everyone was so nice.
And we really
so
love that
nice.
show actually. Why is it not coming again?
I have no idea, but हमारा season was the first season.
Yeah.
हमारे पास sponsors तक नहीं थे, and our show did so well कि हम like literally after we came out we got to know sponsors थे, ads चल रहा था हमारे show पे. पहले ads नहीं होता था क्योंकि sponsors नहीं थे show के लिए. And then our show was a huge hit, which was so great. So Ace of Space मेरे दिल के करीब.
Wow, and that made a lot of people like Divya, Varun, and all of them like very differently. So yeah, that has. I mean, in one of the episodes, I don't know who was saying that. I guess Hamed itself was saying कि यार Ace of Space भी अगर आता तो I don't know why is it not coming, but it's a pretty good show.
Yeah,
and it should have come.
maybe because अभी Big Boss है, Big Boss OTT है, कल कुछ और Big Boss FYTT आ जाएगा, सब कुछ हो ही जाएगा Big Boss का, तो Ace of Space is a little like Big Boss.
Yeah. अब ऐसे भी ज़्यादा shows कौन से बचे हैं? अभी हमारे रोडी, Splitsvilla, Big Boss, Playground, and Temptation Island, I guess.
Temptation Island भी अभी ये साल में first season हुआ था ना last time.
I don't think. I guess these are the 5 shows.
Yeah. We barely have any.
Because we would love to see Ace of Space again. Yeah, and Maisha as probably one of the hosts if she want to do it. Okay, thank you so much for that.
हो गया सवाल, यही था सवाल. अच्छा, okay.
Quickly moving on to the next one. We are moving to the 5th one, which is Tabasco ka Scorpion hot sauce. It's not the traditional Tabasco. Oh, you actually like thoda jala type ka, yaar. Nice.
Yeah, you've been noticing. I've been taking all the jale wale.
Yeah.
This is spicy. This is fucking spicy. I was playing it too cool.
It is spicy.
बहुत.
Wait, this is बहुत. You want to take power? You can take it. No harm. No harm at all.
Very fucking spicy यार. I thought मैं ऐसे कच्चा नींबू में खेल रही थी. ये क्या आ गया बीच में? ये ऐसा जो बाउंसर फेंका है ना आपने?
तो सबसे छोटी बॉटल में सबसे ज़्यादा दम.
Yeah man. Fuck.
But no harm, yeah. I mean, if you want to take it, you can. Seriously, no harm. That's why we kept it.
How the fuck is it so spicy? It's blowing my mind. इतना तीखा.
Wow. What will happen till you reach here?
You're good?
I'm all good. I can tell.
How are you good?
Because I've been doing this since like what 40 episodes now.
Okay, then I'll do it.
Wow, you're already crying, man. Nice. Okay. You have done many shows, right? Tell us any of the hanky-panky stuff which has happened on any of the show which never aired or which we never saw.
मेरा तो बहुत हैंकी पैंकी एयर हो गया था, मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. मेरा काफी हैंकी पैंकी एयर हो गया. No, but then splits में a lot of hanky panky would not be aired क्योंकि 24/7 तो कैमरास नहीं होते थे. So ऐसा था कि कट के बाद फिर बाकी चीजें हो जाती थी। कट के बाद तो एक्चुअल एक्शन स्टार्ट हो जाता था लिटरली। बट सी देयर वाज भव्या एंड आई,
Yeah.
both of us, everyone would go to places, have things to do.
Yeah.
हम दोनों सबसे पहले फेस पैक पहन के we would just sit. And सबसे बदनाम शो के बाद हम ही हुए। And हम तो we were like, हमने तो कुछ किया भी नहीं, हम तो रूम में ही बैठे थे फेस पैक लगा के। And here everyone's like making boyfriends and ये उधर घूम घाम के ये वो। हम स्ट्रैटेजी तक नहीं बनाते थे। हमने एक बार भी बैठ के स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं बनाया है, जो भी कैमरा के सामने बोला है बस वो। उसके बाद कभी नहीं, नेवर। पर सबसे बदनाम हम हुए।
Man.
एंड स्प्लिट्स में एक और चीज था कि सबसे जो भोले दिखते हैं, whoever looks like सबसे ज्यादा
हरामी वही होते हैं।
Exactly, that's the word. Your words, not mine.
I said it. I can say it. It's the internet. Yeah, we're open to say anything. Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And any story that you have, like, you know, which is a very fun story that probably you can say, you know, without taking names, if.
All the stories are too. Wait, let me think. Actually, Splits में बहुत stories थे, बहुत.
I know that Splits is really like, you know, a show which gives a lot of stories, and जब कैमरा आता है तब अलग से ही हो जाते हैं।
Yeah. And Splits में 3 लोग थे। Okay, I'm not gonna take any name. हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता था कि ये बंदे का कौन गर्लफ्रेंड है, because एक डोम के बाद he would be with someone else and डोम के नेक्स्ट डे शूट के पहले he would be with someone else. हम खुद we used to get worried कि डोम में इसके साथ बचाए किसको, यार मतलब क्या चल रहा है। हाँ, इमेजिन उठते बैठते खाते पीते we are always together and we ourselves didn't know कि क्या चालू है। तो और भी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं, पर उसमें कुछ कांड किए हैं मैंने और भव्या ने, तो आई वोंट से दैट। मतलब नॉट टू हार्म एनीवन, हम खुद ही करके फंस जाते थे प्रोडक्शन से, so I won't say that. Is using tissue a power? I can use.
No, you can. Yeah. We have kept only for you.
Okay, thanks.
But yeah, be careful around your eyes. Don't put your fingers on your eyes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Practically, literally, the spiciest show of India.
I won't fight you on that. It seems like you're absolutely right. Which one is this?
Yeah, this one is the 6th one. This is India's hottest hot sauce.
भूत जुला के।
Okay, yeah. So let me give you.
ये क्या रोडीज है क्या? ये रोडीज में टास्क हुआ करता था। मैं उधर रोडीज खेलने आई हूँ।
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
ये बहुत ज्यादा है।
Because Tabasco में if you felt it, you know, so yeah, that's good enough for you to go.
मुझे
Cheers.
लग रहा है ये भी ज्यादा है। Cheers.
Cheers.
1 minute. अरे यार you ate it हो गया।
दो और दे देते। Oh man. Okay. How do you think the current Big Boss is going right now? And who do you think, you know, has the potential to win? And according to you,
It will be very unfair for me to answer this question because I don't watch it.
Okay.
So whatever I get to know is through reels.
Yeah.
And obviously reels के इसमें सबसे जो scandalous चीजें होती है वही दिखती है.
Exactly.
So right now what I have in my mind about a few people.
Yeah.
पता चला if I watch the season I won't feel the same for them.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm the right person to answer this.
Okay. But in general situation, like, you know, with whatever the reels and all that you have seen, like, you know, you must be knowing a lot of people who are already inside, no?
No, this year I don't know anyone.
Oh, really?
No, I don't know anyone personally.
Personally, okay, from that way. Okay. But yeah, through reels and all that, you know, do you feel like that, you know, anyone specific, you feel that, you know, it's positive vibe दे रहा है वहाँ से?
बिग बॉस में कोई पॉजिटिव वाइब
मतलब हाँ, ये थोड़ा गलत क्वेश्चन हो गया। so sorry. Like, मतलब तब भी बुरों में भी एक अच्छा कौन दिख रहा है?
I don't know. I can't answer that question. To be very honest.
Okay.
क्यों किसी को झूठा
क्यों
ऐसे
किसी को वो
बोलना?
करना? हाँ, exactly. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the things, like, you know, I also really wanted to know, and because ये 8th वाला मैं पूछ ही रहा था।
You wanted to know कि someone on Instagram wanted to know. Be honest.
And this is I wanted to.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah. How's your career, not career, but your journey starting from? Like, you know, where were you born and how your entire journey came? Because I guess, okay, one of the things, this was 9th question, but I'm asking you right now itself. So, see, I mean, you're actually one of the inspirations for a lot of people. I mean, you may be like too modest to accept it, but, you know, when we posted that, you know, Maisha is coming, you know, people were, I went live and all that, you know, people were very excited saying that, you know, Maisha is coming, wow. And there are a lot of girls, you know, were saying that, you know, she's a, you know, we look up to her. So, how has your journey been starting? Like, when you started, when you were young, and then, how you came to Bombay and did all these shows and all?
It's a very long story. Do we have enough?
Yeah, we have enough time. Yeah, we're all here.
So, I was born in London. My dad was from there. And after a few years, I'm not going to go too much into details because that'll take forever. And it's just unnecessary. TMI ho jayega. So, so then after that, I came back to India with my mum.
Yeah.
After a few years, so it was very unfortunate, but then I barely met my dad. Like I must have met him once or twice in my life.
Yeah.
And I was too young to remember.
Oh.
And then the summer holiday that my dad, before my summer holiday, he gave me a call and he said, I'm coming, for summer holidays. And what do you want from here? And also parallelly in school, I was, and guys, I'm not saying that's a sob story. This is not a sob story. Nahi chahiye sympathy that doesn't pay my bills. I'm just saying this as in, if you can take something out of this and if you can change how you think, then, and if it can be of any help, then great. So parallelly at that time, I was also getting very bullied in school.
Oh.
I didn't come from a very rich family. That way, my dad and everything was a little like well-to-do and stuff, but I never had him around.
Yes.
So, and that time, this whole thing had come ki iPod aa gaya hai, and everyone was like, do you know what an iPod is? Or you don't have the money to buy it and all of that. Okay, you know how kids are and stuff like that. मैंने भी किया होगा यार कभी तो life में. I'm not going to say बोलो गलत थे. We are just like that sometimes. So I told my dad कि मुझे iPod चाहिए because I wanted to go to school and show my iPod. Okay, कि मतलब fuck you, even I have an iPod. That summer, before my summer holidays, I get a call that my dad has passed away, and I was like, okay. And also before that, I lost my dad's brother, who was also quite there for me at times, and like I've never really met my dad, but he always felt like, if I have some father figure type in my life, and I lost him before, and that was also like a little this, and then I lost my dad. I was like, okay, I mean, now I'm saying okay, but that time I was obviously devastated. Uske baad, I lost my dadi, my grandmom, okay? And also my mom was a single parent, so I would stay with my nana nani quite a bit because she would go to work and stuff like that, and I would have to stay home with someone. Then uske baad my grandparents passed away, my nana nani, and my nani went first, and they say now when two people love each other too much, so after 10 days my grandfather passed away, okay, after 10 days of my nani passing away. And that time I felt like what is happening, like I couldn't really understand. I still remember I used to go to a shrine, okay, I went to a shrine and I really prayed, okay, I prayed, and I'm telling you, with everything I had, I prayed, and I still lost both of them. And then I was like, what is this? What is life? Like, what is happening? I couldn't, and I was too young. I was 12, 13, and I was still trying to figure out. And after, like, one after the other, I lost so many people. And then my mom was diagnosed with cancer. And, oh God, my heart is beating. Okay. So my mom got diagnosed with cancer, and the doctor said that she's already in the last stage and everything. And, she won't make it for, I think, more than 4 months.
Sure.
And she survived 7 years.
Wow.
Without, I can't see it, okay, now, but yeah, but not like full medication and everything, but still she survived for 7 years. Okay. And then, so I didn't really get a chance to complete my education. Okay. I studied till my 10th, and after that I started working. Sure. I was working first as a receptionist at a salon. Then after that I was working at Forever New and all of that. And that is when, also because my mom couldn't work, so I was, working to pay the bills and everything. And then my mom passed away. And so I used to, no hate please to anyone. So I used to wear all these rings that my mom wanted me to wear, okay? And she used to feel happy, so I used to wear it. Like, iska ye hai, uska ye hai. The day my mom passed away, I removed everything, and I was like, you said this is going to so why, like, where is it now? Where are the powers now that it should be, saving me? So I removed everything. And after mom, I was like, what is the point of even staying in Pune? Like, what do I have here? Those same roads, everything just reminded me about her so much.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck it, I'm shifting. I'm just going somewhere. And the only place which was close to Pune, and before that, trust me, I've not traveled a lot in India. I've not seen the world because I just had so many things going on in my life, so many responsibilities. I didn't know much.
Yeah.
So I decided to go to Bombay. Now, Bombay, I barely had any savings because all these, whatever I used to make was going in rent, ये वो मेरे पास कुछ 20-30,000 कुछ रहेगा and savings में.
Yeah.
And I was like, chalo Bombay. Now Bombay में I don't know anyone, absolutely no one.
Yeah.
So I was like, ठीक है देख लूंगी मैं. When you're a kid, no, you don't even think rationally. अभी तो मैं बोलूंगी कि नहीं यार, मैं 3 दिन एक ट्रिप के बारे में सोचूंगी फिर हाँ या ना मैं बोलूंगी. गोवा सोचना पड़ेगा. तभी I was like, Bombay, चलो Bombay.
Exactly.
So I packed my bags.
This is when? At your what age?
This must be 6-7 years ago maybe, or maybe a little more than that.
Okay.
No, yeah, 6-7 years ago.
Okay.
So I bought a ticket.
Yep.
And I got into the train. उस दिन मुझे पता चला कि जनरल टिकट और रिजर्वेशन अलग होता है. और मेरे को लगा कि क्या है, टिकट खरीदो, ट्रेन में बैठो, you reach your destination.
Exactly.
And I bought the ticket, general ticket, and very coolly I have gone and sat.
Yeah.
And then people are coming and saying, ये मेरा reservation है, and people are doing Bombay Pune up down काम के लिए and all of that. And I was like, fuck. And I'm not even over exaggerating, but I have sat at that जो wash basin का जगह होता है ना, I've sat there and come to Bombay. ठीक है. And I came to Bombay. Everything was so expensive. मुझे तो लगा पुणे के prices होंगे, rent 1 BHK 6-7 में मिल जाएगा and all of that. कहीं मिले ही ना घर.
Exactly.
And I was like, now what? So then I found like this small room in a chawl.
Yeah.
1 room kitchen and खाली घर था. I said ठीक है. That was the only thing that was 10,000. That was the only thing that I could afford. I shifted there and I didn't know what to do. मुझे auditions कहाँ देना है, किससे, और तभी I had one friend who was here.
Okay.
She was going through her own breakup issues and she didn't pick up my phone. So I had no idea what I'm going to do. So then I googled and this and that, and तभी Facebook सब बहुत चलता था, तभी audition सब आता था, so I got a hang of it and everything. And then I realized कि ये मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा ये सब auditions. उसकी पहले I used to do catalogs in Pune sometimes. ऐसा इधर कर लेती हूँ catalogs. So reference shoots करके एक चीज होता है where you have like 100 changes साड़ी के, and you get दिन का 5-6,000.
Okay.
Okay, but it's 100 changes.
Okay.
So दादर वादर में studio है and this and that. So I went, एक दिन मैं सूरत जाती थी, अहमदाबाद जाती थी, ये I used to barely sleep क्योंकि मेरा तभी सिर्फ था I need to work and make money and give myself a decent life.
Yeah.
एक दिन मैं कैटलॉग करके घर जा रही थी, रिक्शा में थी, कॉल आया, ठीक है, कि hey we're casting for this show, it's called Ace of Space and it's the first season. In my mind I was like, हाँ ये तो बना रही है मुझे मतलब कोई जानता नहीं मुझे, why is she calling me and giving me this offer?
Yeah.
So I was like, हाँ okay, and I was like, and I was very underconfident. Okay, I was so underconfident कि मुझे कुछ मिलने ही नहीं वाला है, all this is too good to be true. So then I came back home and I was like, makeup तो है करके भेज देती हूँ. I don't know why I sent it. I sent it. मैं बेड पे बैठी हूँ, गंदा सा येलो वॉल है, ठीक है, सामने है. I think I still have that video. मैंने सामने डाला, hey guys, I don't like this and I like this and I like this. मतलब random मैंने सब बातें करके I have sent.
Yeah.
And I forgot about it.
Yeah.
क्योंकि obviously मैंने तो सोचा नसीब इतनी अच्छी नहीं है कि शो मिल जाए. I get a call after 4 days saying 4-5 days saying that you've been finalized, pack your bags and come. The day I had to go, उसके एक दिन पहले तक I was like, I don't want to go. ये मेरा है ही नहीं, मैं क्या जाऊंगी, मैं I don't look good, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do, nothing. And I was like, no, मैं तो first elimination में out हो जाऊंगी, ये वो. And I still ended up going because someone who was in my life that time really told me to go for it. Sure. And it changed my life.
Wow.
मैंने बहुत बात कर ली यार, बहुत.
अरे नहीं, but you know this is so amazing. I mean no one knew that कि एक यहाँ पे एक amazing personality में like you know you would have gone through with all these. Yeah, I mean I guess This is really amazing, very inspiring actually. I mean, I would say, the way that you have come, you've made your own path, but being too casual about it.
No, because now I feel like ठीक है कर दिया है, and I also, there is this thing that I've even noticed my friends doing, and even I used to do that. कि नहीं यार इतना अच्छा थोड़ी हो सकता है मेरे लाइफ में मतलब like today okay like even today before I reached here everything was so smoothly okay मेरा टाइम से एडिट हो गया मेरा ब्रांड से अप्रूवल आ गया मेरा टाइम से मेकअप हो गया मैंने आउटफिट जो मैं 3-4 घंटे लेती हूँ वो 15 मिनट में सॉर्ट हो गया मैंने बोला वाओ अभी कुछ तो होना है कुछ तो गलत होना है इतना सही नहीं हो सकता है पर हो सकता है the minute you stop thinking कि इतना सही नहीं हो सकता है सही होने लगेगा
wow. So, yeah. Wow, this is really good, yeah. I mean, yeah, that is again, I guess, कहते हैं power of positivity, probably, that is what optimism. Yeah, it's very good. But I'm sure, like the girls, who were looking, who were looking up to. I mean, this is a very inspiring story. I mean, I felt very heartfelt.
Thank you.
That's very good. Thank you so much for that. Now, quickly, we are moving on to the next one. This is Zombie Apocalypse Hot Sauce. We are going very quickly. This is Zombie Apocalypse. You may love it.
I may love it.
Yeah, I know.
Cheers करना था
नहीं कोई नहीं
This is what cheesy and all that word pretty tasty
yeah bit of mustard and all
ये तो मैं पूरा खा लूं It's really really good
You like it?
Yeah
You're not being spicy on this?
No
See, yeah, we changed the perception about yourself.
No, but this one was
Probably the quantity that you took in this was too high.
So you mean I'm taking less than this?
No, I mean, yeah, this is spicy. I'm feeling spicy right now.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
No, but yeah, you're doing very well. You still have your 3 powers intact.
Thank you.
Okay, so for this one, you have done several music videos and music, with a lot of great artists and all that. The last one that I was talking about with Elvish, that you did, and Prince that you did. So how was your experience, like, kind of shooting with Elvish and Prince, and now both of them are together in one show?
I didn't interact much with Elvish. So there's not much there to say. I went, did my shoot, and I came back. Now, when you talk about Prince, he's the one who gave me my first music video of my life. Of my life. So, this is like, I'm talking about COVID कब था? कितना साल हो गया?
2020. It's been 4 years.
4 years. Okay, so 4 years of, around 3-4 years ago. No one really saw me being in a music video, and he called me up and he's like, listen, एक music video है करोगे? And I said, okay. I said, are you sure? So he's like, yeah, all of that. That was my first music. वो कभी नहीं आया, शायद कभी नहीं आएगा, because obviously it's 4 years old now and he's become so much more pro at this. But that was my वो बोलते हैं ribbon cutting towards music videos. It was that was my first, and always working with him is so nice because he takes so much care and he is just so hospitable that it is lovely working with him.
Oh, nice.
And the best thing I like about him is I don't like people who are very like that. So I like it like that.
Yeah.
So the minute I see someone a little slow around me, मेरे को ऐसा हो जाता है जल्दी करो यार हाँ yeah. So the good part with him is he's very honest and he's very like that. So yeah.
So how's it like, seeing both of the guys, Elvish and Prince coming together and Ranvijay is back again.
Huh?
Ranvijay is back
again. Yes. So I haven't, I mean, obviously with the season is still going to air, so I want to see. I want to see किसके साथ झगड़ा होने वाला है and all of that spicy stuff. But yeah, and I think Ranvijay being back is a really good thing for roadies. Yeah. Because that is what everyone really missed.
Yes.
So,
yes. Yeah, I mean, and it will be a thing to see Elvish and Prince together.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm really waiting for that. I'm sure something would have already happened.
उनके बीच में ही झगड़ा ना होगा.
मैं तो उसी का वेट कर रहा हूँ. Because Elvish एक अलग personality, Prince भी कहीं रुकता नहीं है. Gautam and Prince वाला तो, I mean, everyone has seen that. But yeah, it would be great. Who knows कि अगर दोनों दोस्त बन गए?
Alliance बना दिया.
Yeah, probably.
You never know.
Oh no, well, thank you so much for that. We are quickly moving on to the next one, and okay, so this is the Bomb Beyond Insanity Hot Sauce.
लिया है यार ऐसे मत.
Okay.
Show how much you've taken. हाँ, so same only I've taken.
I can take more. You have taken this much.
नहीं अच्छा ये जानता हूँ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड
The bomb.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि टेस्टी भी नहीं है ये टेस्टी होता तो चलो and is the AC off or I'm feeling hot?
It's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just me then. You're waiting for me to use the power, I know. होने नहीं दूंगी मैं fuck.
Spicy. Fuck. You still have a very amazing spice tolerance because
Tabasco से ज़्यादा ये है.
ये definitely Tabasco से बहुत ज़्यादा है. No, there's no harm in taking it. There's no harm.
Then you also no.
I mean, I'll take it. No problem.
Fun.
Cheers. This show is probably one of the shows जहाँ पे aesthetically start होता है and aesthetics का opposite क्या होता है? Okay, so now
Remember what I told you
Yeah.
about Big Boss? मुझे लगता था मैं पर मैं नहीं हूँ. Same vibe, same feeling. अरे मेरे को लगा था मैं कर लूँगी नहीं हो पा रहा है. Fucking है. Mama.
no, you'll survive this. But just be careful around your eyes, no? You're doing good. No harm in taking the water. Have it.
हाँ एक बार तो यूज कर लिया ना तब
हाँ, अब ले
कर ही
सकते हो,
ना.
Gargle it. Okay, this is a quick one, okay? Okay, so this one, you have 20...
मेनोपॉज चालू है मेरा. ओहो वाह हरिओम.
Sorry.
मम्मा this is not.
This is very spicy. Okay, so this one is a game. And if you answer this, good. If you don't answer this, as a mock, you'll have to take a dip of this again.
Okay. Of this again.
Yes.
Next part.
नहीं, इसी का. Okay, so इस पे ये गेम है जहाँ पे अगर आपने आंसर कर दिया गुड, अगर नहीं आंसर तो फिर आपको दोबारा खाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है?
हाँ.
Okay, and it's a very quick one, okay?
हाँ.
And it's a timer. There's a timer within 20 seconds.
मेरा छाती दुख रहा है. एक मिनट ना.
Take it. It'll settle down.
He's having fun there, seeing my footage and he's laughing.
It will settle. Don't worry. It will settle.
I will answer all your questions on one condition.
Yeah.
Before we leave.
Yeah.
Both of them need to have 1-1 with that.
हाँ ठीक है.
Why should they just sit and watch and have the fun? पूरा सुन रहे हैं, मजा ले रहे हैं, ही हा कर रहे हैं. They should also have.
ठीक है. Done.
Both of them should have.
Done. Yeah. ठीक है. Okay. So this one is a game. You have 20 seconds, and within 20 seconds you have to name.
Name place animal thing?
No. Within 20 seconds you have to name 12 Big Boss winners.
मैं हार गई.
You were in Big Boss.
तो 12 सीजन कितने हुए हैं?
18 और प्लस OTT 4.
5 कर लो ना.
चलो ठीक है.
नहीं ठीक है. नहीं ना आपका ना मेरा बीच में मांडवली करते. 8.
Okay, ठीक है. Your time starts now.
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला. Elvish Vidya
Yes,
ना. हाँ.
yes.
Don't take time to say yes because
No, okay.
और कौन है? तेजस्वी.
Yes.
My season only.
Yes.
हिना खान.
No.
गौहर खान.
Yes. Bro, time up.
4 हो गया ना. 4 चेंज करना आपको तो 4 बोल दिया.
8 बोला था.
4 मेरे 4 आपके ना 8. आप बताओ 4 अभी.
मेरे को तो वैसे मालूम है. आशुतोष कौशिक, राहुल रॉय, प्रिंस नरूला, मुनावर यस, गौहर खान एंड दीपिका एंड
ठीक है खा रही हूँ मैं.
This is amazing. Maisha is doing it again. The bomb. Fuck, you're such a. But I just want that you safely reach home. नहीं हो जाएगा. Don't worry. You
have my number. Call and check.
No. But you're doing very good. No, let it settle down. But then we'll move on to the next.
Follow कर लिया.
Fuck.
Done.
I don't know how menopause is. मेरे को पता नहीं है, but मेरे को इसकी मिर्ची मेरे को लगी.
बहुत.
Okay, ठीक है. Are you ready for the next one? If you-
Yes.
Okay. So next one is bravado Anko masala. After this, we just have one more left.
पर आंसर तो किया, अभी तो खाया.
नहीं तो ये 9th वाला है.
अच्छा नेक्स्ट के पहले.
वो तो गेम था ना. You lost that game, so you had this. ये वाला.
जवाब के बाद खाऊं तो?
जवाब के बाद. देखो ये भी एक्चुअली खाओगे तब ज्यादा मजा आएगा.
कर लो यार, कर लो.
ओके मैं भी ले लेता हूँ. ठीक है मोर देन अनफ. Bro, you're such a sport, man. Really, you're doing so well.
Thank you.
So well. And not kidding. I mean, definitely I can say this on camera. You have done this for more than 40 episodes now. Girls have more better spice tolerance than guys. And a lot of people have been able to do much better than me as well. Yeah. I just recently did 3 Jolo chips at once. I just recently did that. I was like,
We're not
fuck.
trying that on me, no?
No, never,
Thanks,
never.
thanks.
Okay, so this is going to be a fun one, okay? I'll give you a few emotions. You'll have to let me know that emotion कौन से contestant पे best suit करता है, Splits वाला, Ace of Space या Big Boss, किसी में भी, okay? And it's going to be very rapid fire, okay? Super happy.
Super happy. Who's always super happy?
Yeah.
Super happy. मुझे पता ही नहीं है.
Bro, rapid fire.
Oh sorry यार, ये rapid fire rapid नहीं हो रहा है मेरा. 1 मिनट ना.
Big Boss में से भी, Splits वाला में से भी, किसी से भी.
Super happy.
You.
Me.
Yeah. Lazy.
Not me.
No.
Super lazy. Arey, if I say she will call me and she'll give me gali.
No, it's fun. It's just going for fun.
Afsana.
Okay. Mannerless.
She's also excited to put cases on people. I'm scared.
Okay.
You come in.
No, it's fun. It's just a game, okay?
Haan,
Yeah,
please.
because she have to say someone, so that's why. Yeah. Mannerless.
Same.
Best body.
Best body.
One male and one female. Quick.
Best male body male. Varun, I'll say for male. भाई है मेरा फिर भी.
Yes.
ठीक है. And girls में Shamita.
Oh, yes.
So fit.
Yeah.
So fit.
बेवकूफ.
बेवकूफ. बिग बॉस में मैं, बाकी 2 शो अच्छा बोल तो दिया. बिग बॉस में मैं, बाकी
okay.
2 में हैं पर ठीक है.
किसी में से तीनों में से कोई भी एक बता सकते हो. चलाक. Cunning.
चलाक तो सब, बिग बॉस में सब.
Take one name.
ये सब. In a good way.
In a good way, yeah.
In a good way, who knew how to play the game was Nishu.
Okay.
In a very good way.
Okay.
Like smart.
Smart. 4 AM friend.
4 AM friend who I will call with any of my issues and everything. Nishu.
Okay. Crazy.
Crazy तो अक्कू crazy थी Ace of Space में. हाँ अक्कू.
Okay. झूठा. Liar.
झूठा. See, if you give me 5 seconds, no, I can give you a better answer.
Okay, take it.
More सच्ची वाला answer.
Okay.
झूठा. जो कौन झूठ बोलता था बहुत. स्प्लिट्स में नहीं पता यार मुझे. Wait, झूठा. अरे मतलब the thing is, ऐसे सब shows में we have to do so much and for ourselves. नीशु, प्रतीक सब ने चोरी वोरी करके झूठ बोला है. कुंदरा ने भी चोरी करके. हम वो मस्ती करते थे.
जिसको ऑफिशियल स्ट्रेट झूठा था.
मतलब
जिसका इटरनली ही वो आपको फील होगा कि यार ये वो बहुत ही झूठा था. और चलो रैपिड फायर तब हो गया. अनटाइडी.
सॉरी
नो प्रॉब्लम. अनटाइडी.
पता है द प्रॉब्लम इज ना, सारे सवालों का एक ही जवाब है पर मैं उसका नाम बार-बार नहीं लिख सकती.
Okay.
But untidy, messy, I would say all the girls in Splits वाला.
Okay.
Yeah, because हमको टाइम नहीं मिलता था कि चलो 10 मिनट में रेडी होना है, तू ये दे वो दे, हेयर स्ट्रेटनर कहीं और. आई थिंक भव्या और सौंदर्या ने एक बार कुछ मैट्रेस भी जला दिया था क्योंकि उन्होंने स्ट्रेटनर ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया था. एंड आई वाज लाइक गर्ल्स यू आर सो लाइक. एंड अगले दिन मैंने वही किया. So yeah. Confused. स्प्लिट्स में या
किसी में तीनों में से कोई भी एक.
बिग बॉस में भी मैं थी कंफ्यूज. बहुत कंफ्यूज कि क्या हो रहा है, मैं क्यों आई हूँ वैसे. कंफ्यूजन था. रोमांटिक मेरे साथ या एक दूसरे के साथ.
जनरली जो बहुत रोमांटिक बंदा है जनरली.
बंदा या बंदी
कोई भी.
But tell me, is it towards me or towards someone else?
No, anyone generally. I mean, we have been around with maybe around 50 contestants within तीनों shows में मिला के. तो कोई एक बंदा तो बहुत highly romantic बंदा है कि हाँ ये तो बहुत romantic है.
I think Kundra would have been really romantic with Teju.
Okay. Anger issues.
सबके यार, सारे लड़कों का नाम, ये भाटिया, पीयूष, देन सारे लड़के सब जिम वही करते ताकि अग्रेशन बढ़ा के देन दे फाइट ऑल द बॉयज.
मेडिटेट. शाय.
शाय कोई नहीं था यार. शाय कोई शाय वालों को सिलेक्ट ही नहीं करते ना.
हाँ ये पॉइंट भी है. कॉन्फिडेंट.
कॉन्फिडेंट सब लोग थे. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट शुड बी द राइट क्वेश्चन. देन बहुत नाम ड्रॉप हो जाते.
Okay.
नहीं, आपका सवाल कॉन्फिडेंट था.
Okay.
काम. बापट. राकेश बापट.
Okay. बोर.
राकेश बापट.
बिची.
I'm being bitchy right now. I'm taking these names.
No, you did well. No, this is just a game. Okay, because she have to say it, that's why she's saying it.
Bitchy तो I think splits में all the girls. Like how I said, boys का anger issues सब में, सब तो fake भी करते थे कभी भी anger issues. Bitchiness हम most of us were bitchy, but हम बहुत fake भी करते थे कि हम इतने bitchy हैं. जब real life में हम इतने bitchy नहीं है.
Okay.
कुछ लोग तो अभी भी Splitsvilla में हैं, तो अभी भी bitchy हैं. जब दिमाग में they're still there only. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for that. That was not so rapid, but still good. Okay, quickly moving on to the next one.
Don't be mean.
No, but that's good.
Just cut all the pauses and wow, yaar, such a rapid fire.
Yeah, that was amazing rapid fire. Yes, yeah.
Thanks.
Editors काट देना.
नहीं.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, quickly we move on to the last one. This is Mad Dog 357. I like the way that I like your personality here. I'm just in love with this personality.
This is the last one.
This is the last one. Yeah.
Let me see how much you've taken.
Oh, I can take more.
No. There is some weird sensation happening in the.
Yeah, but I'll go. I mean, once you have this water or something, so it'll help you.
Okay, not bad.
So I don't have a teeth here, so if I put it here, it feels very blank.
You should have told me. मैं कल ही निकलवा के आती थी यार, चार ऊपर नीचे. I didn't know this. That was not bad, yeah. I'm good.
Fuck.
Are you okay? Do you want to use the power? I think you should have some milk. You feel good.
नहीं. हो गया. अब तो इसके बाद में 10th question है. Okay.
Tomorrow morning she'll only have to face all the music instruments that you'll be playing. Listen to her and have your milk.
No, I'll have right after this question. Okay. The last question. There are a lot of people who have been following you. There are a lot of people who adore you, like
Am
you.
I dating? Are you going to ask me that? Is that the question? That was the question?
Yes, that was one of the questions, and then there's a sub question after that as well.
I'll let you complete your question.
Okay, so first, about your dating journey and what is it happening right now, and then apart from that, what do you have to say to your fans? What's coming next? What are you doing next? Where all we can see what all Maisha here is doing, and we have been eagerly waiting to know what all is happening in your life. It's all yours. So this camera, you can say anything.
No, I'll tell you only.
Yeah.
So, but what should I answer if I'm dating someone?
Yeah. If you.
The answer to that question is exclusively on whatever.
The Linga show.
Yeah, I'm not dating anyone. I'm not.
Oh.
I'm not dating anyone. It's been, I think, 3 years since my last serious relationship. I am not dating anyone. Talking stages, yes, I've had, but nahi yaar. I want that really old school kind of thing.
Okay.
And I want to meet someone organically. I don't want to meet someone on a dating app, or I don't want to meet someone online. I want to meet someone organic.
Yeah.
And there was a time when boys used to be like, मैं ऐसी से शादी करूँगा. एक बार देख के नहीं, भाभी है तेरी. That I want. I love that. It is like, it is so cute. मुझे ऐसा चाहिए.
Yeah.
कि when you have these, your grandparents or parents telling you the story कि हम बैडमिंटन खेलते थे और वो देखता था. मुझे वो सब चाहिए. मुझे सच में वो सब चाहिए. I don't want all this really like. And the other thing is, I know after this whole thing you all won't believe this, but I'm pretty antisocial. And I'm quite an introvert. I'm only an extrovert with people I truly vibe with. So now I vibe with you. Yes. But otherwise it's just calm and घर and कुछ दोस्तों से मिलना, वो भी like I'll barely like go out. It's always hanging out with them and stuff. So I want the guy to be an introvert. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's a balance. वरना हर संडे झगड़ा होगा. वो बोलेगा नहीं मुझे यहाँ पार्टी करने जाना है. I'll be like no मुझे Netflix देखना है. I don't want those fights.
Okay. Okay.
So that is one question that is answered. हाँ बहुत तीखा है. बहुत तीखा है.
अब लगी.
लगी. अभी इधर ऐसा I can feel that popper go नीचे लगा है.
Yeah.
हाँ. So about future plans and everything, I do not like to say things before it actually happens. So whatever it is, मेरा Insta तो है ही.
Yeah.
उसमें मालूम पड़ ही जाएगा.
Yeah.
And I don't plan things.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I mean, we have been really loving the content that you're making on Instagram.
Thank
It's just
you.
amazing. All the brand deals and all the things that you're doing, just amazing. And
Thank
yeah,
you.
we have been following you very avidly on your Instagram. We wish you just luck, nothing else. Okay, my perception when you came, and since I was researching about you, and then, while right now, I've just completed this hot sauce challenge. You're such an amazing soul.
Thank
Just
you so
radiate
much.
energy and a positive aura, nothing else. So I
Thank
just wish you
you.
luck, nothing else. You were super. You just cleared this challenge just amazingly with just taking one power. And this is probably will go for a long time. On a
Cheers.
challenge. Cheers. We can take whatever we wish to right now. And for you guys, go follow Maisha here on her Instagram. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel. And Maisha, because you were able to do this challenge very amazingly, we have something for you.
Woohoo!
This is
Guys,
for you.
before I leave, I should just tell you all I'm not on YouTube.
But yeah, there was one channel. No.
Not me, not me.
हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो. Go follow the Lean Guy Show on Instagram and
इधर भी तीखा.
because
कहीं तो बचाओ यार मुझे. Okay, guys, please follow him.
go subscribe to the Lean Guy Show on YouTube and go follow us on Instagram everywhere. जाओ जहाँ पर माइशा है और मेरे सिर्फ प्यार फैलाओ, गंद मत फैलाओ because she is just amazing and thank you so much guys for watching. Signing off.